So we have a little bit of a problem here. I just put on my favorite pair of jeans and needless to say, I think it's time for another repair.
I trim any loose threads to make the rip as neat as possible, and then I select a piece of scrap denim and cut it down to size. Since this area has a lot of weakened denim from my other repairs, I'm going to make the piece a little bigger, and I'll be putting this on the inside of the pants. You can see the inside out where I begin pinning it down here. Actually ended up bringing these on my recent trip to repair them because I find that fun to do on a plane. So I'm taking my 100% cotton Sashiko thread, I'm tying a knot, and then I'm starting on the inside of the jeans doing a running stitch in and out. I first start by outlining the rip by tucking the raw pieces of the rip in and going around the perimeter. I'm then going to go around the perimeter of the whole piece of denim on the inside to secure it down. Since this rip happened along the pocket, I am going right down the edge of the pocket. I'm going to do 2 rows of running stitches that mirror the original stitching on the denim. Here I am doing the second row of stitches down the edge of the pocket. So I'm only doing this on the part that's already stitched down. It won't affect how the pocket functions at all. Here you can see I put the running stitch around the whole perimeter of the patch, and it is going over the other area I repaired. There won't be any weakened sections because I'm overlapping the pieces of denim. Then I'm taking a running stitch and I'm doing horizontal stitches, alternating every line using a diagonal stitch only on the inside of the denim to skip down to the next row. After completing all the horizontal stitches, I'm then going back through and I'm doing a vertical running stitch through every single one of my horizontal stitches to make these little X's, and then it's done.